Hey there, data scientists! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special lined up for you. We're deploying Meta's latest large language model, Llama 3. And guess what? We're going to deploy it on UbiOps in under 15 minutes. Let's get started. Llama 3 is the most recent addition to the Llama series of large language models developed by Meta. It comes in two sizes, the compact 8 billion parameter version and the larger 70 billion parameter version. The former, Llama 3 8B, is really powerful. According to evaluation results released by Meta and Hugging Face, Llama 3 8B is toe-to-toe with the best LLMs of a similar size, Mistral 7B and Gemma 7B. In this video, we'll be deploying the instruct version of Llama 3 8B on UbiOps. First things first, if you haven't already, let's get you set up with a UbiOps account. Head over to ubiops.com and sign up to get access to the platform. Remember to request GPU access during the sign-up process. Llama 3 8B needs that extra power. Now let's set up our environment. Once you've logged in, create or navigate to a project, click on the Environments tab on the left-hand side, then click on Custom Environment. Give your environment a name, select the base environment, and upload the environment package provided in the written guide. With our environment set up, it's time to create our deployment. Navigate to the Deployments tab and click on Create. Here you'll define the input and output parameters for your Llama 3 8B instruct deployment. Next up, creating a version. This is where you'll upload the deployment package also provided in the written guide. So make sure you have that ready and upload the deployment package to UbiOps. Make sure you also enable accelerated hardware and select the environment you created earlier from the drop-down menu. Now, the last step before you can run your model, defining your Hugging Face token as an environment variable in your deployment. Head over to Hugging Face and generate a token with the read permission. Make sure you copy that token, then head back to UbiOps. Navigate to your deployment and go to the Environment Variables tab. Create a variable with the name HFToken and paste your Hugging Face token as the value. Then mark it as secret to keep it safe. With everything set up, it's time for some inference. Go ahead and create a request, then enter a prompt of your choice. We instructed our model to not like talking about bees, then we asked our model to tell us a fun fact about bees. Here's what we got back. Now that you have your Llama 3 model deployed, you might be thinking, hang on, what's a chatbot without a user interface? And you'd be right. That's why I have a great tip for you. Our video on deploying Llama 2 contains everything you need to know to build a fully customizable front end for your chatbot using Streamlit. Or you can just grab the code from the written tutorial, up to you. Either way, you'll be set up with a full-fledged Llama 3 chatbot in no time. And there you have it, folks. In under 15 minutes, we deployed Llama 3 8B instruct on UbiOps. It's that simple. If you want to expand the capabilities of your new chatbot with RAG or fine-tuning, or if you want to try deploying other LLMs, don't forget to check out our other videos and guides. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more machine learning guides and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.